What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you a very interesting Magisk module here. If you're using any AOSP based custom ROM like Lineage OS or a very simple minimal custom ROM which does not include the pixel things like the pixel launcher and etc., you can install this module. This is called Pixelify, where you get pixel launcher and all the pixel goodies. This is official pixel launcher. If your device does not include the pixel launcher by default, you can get this, and this is official pixel launcher. It's not the modded one. It is not a modded pixel launcher like you get the app locker or app hide, nothing else. It's normal official pixel launcher, so don't worry about that. Including that, you also get some extra things like pixel goodies. Includes the Google Pixel 5 model for your device. My device will be considered as Google Pixel 5, and this is the thing which you can enable or disable while installing that module. It will help you to get unlimited Google Photos backup, which is very interesting, and you should definitely give it a try on your device if you want to. Including that, some hidden things, call recording on the Google phone dialer, call screening, new Google Assistant, a lot more things with this module. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this, and I'm going to show you how to install this thing, because installation is quite simple, but still installation has some things. Including this launcher and including this Google Pixel 5 model, you also get the live wallpapers, Google Pixel live wallpapers like Come Alive. This is a live wallpaper which you're working perfectly fine. Depends upon which device you're using. There might be some lags there, but I'm not sure. If your device does not have any lags, you can use this. You also get some these interesting live wallpapers. Some wallpapers I haven't tried, so I'm not sure if these will work or not, but you can enable or disable these things. If you don't want to install these live wallpapers, you can skip this section. How to install this module on your device, this is what matters. This is the module which I was talking about, Pixelify. So all thanks goes to its developer Kingsman44. Enables pixel exclusive features like call screening, Google dialer call recording, extreme battery saver, hold for me, Google Sense, Google Keyboard, Smart Compose, adaptive connectivity. Some features might not work on your device, depends on which custom ROM you are using. So yes, if you are having any kind of trouble by using this, simply uninstall this module from Magisk. I have uninstalled it right now to show you that how you can install this Magisk module on your device. I'm using Magisk version 23 here. Click on install from storage. This is the module which I was talking about, Pixelify 1.5. It's around 25 MB, so make sure you have proper internet connection to download and install this. Extracting module files, it will check your device if your device is compatible. Architecture ARM64, press your volume key. It will ask you to spoof your device to Pixel 5. If you want yes, if you want no, up to you, whatever you want to do. Do you want to install call screening, call recording? Yes, no, everything depends upon you which thing you want to use. If you're having some features missing, just don't worry, you can uninstall this module very easily. As you can see, everything it will ask you, you need to press volume up to enable that option. You need to press the volume down to skip that thing. It's just up to you. Installing Pixel live wallpapers, everything it will take backup, and everything else just up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can do this, and very simple guide is just to install these things. This is a very simple but very useful Magisk module. If you want to install this, link to install this module is in the description. You can check out, and installation is quite simple as you just saw in this video. So I hope you like this. This is all from today's short and simple video, and I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me to get all these videos. A lot of Magisk modules videos are coming on my channel very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.